Did you know that the best business for most people to start online is freelance writing? Who would have thought? Well, me, I guess, because I say it in like literally every video on this channel. But today, we're gonna put our money where our mouth is, and I'm gonna give you 8 easy writing jobs for beginners. So no matter where you are at in your writing journey, you can start making money today with these writing opportunities. Oh, and real quick, you might be wondering, who is this guy? Why should I trust him? My name's Sean Ogle. I'm the founder of Location Rebel, where for the last 12 years, I've been teaching people how to build successful writing businesses online, and I'm a freelance writer myself. So if you're looking for help making money with your words on the internet, then this is gonna be the channel for you. Let's not waste any time. Let's jump right into it because you got a business to build. So let's do it. All right, number 1, personalized outreach emails. So I get dozens of emails a week from people that are reaching out to me because they want something, usually a guest post or they want a backlink or something like that. Well, most people that have successful businesses, they don't have the time to do personalized outreach themselves. So they need somebody else to do it. And so if you can competently put together an email, build relationships with someone via email, and do it in a personalized manner, that is an incredibly valuable skill because 98% of the outreach emails that I get are not personalized. They're horrible. And I will just not do the outreach myself because I don't have time, because I haven't found the person that I know can do it properly. And so there's a lot of people in that boat. So if you can prove that you are good at outreach emails and you can practice by pitching yourself to people to write their outreach emails, there's a big opportunity there. And that can be a great way to dip your foot into the freelance writing world. All right, the second easy writing job for beginners that you can get starting right now is proofreading. There are millions of pieces of content that are going up on the internet every single day. Do you know how many of those pieces of content have some glaring grammatical or spelling error? Probably every single one. I know every single thing I publish probably has at least one glaring error. So there's a big opportunity for you to come in, proofread people's content just to make sure that they don't make a fool of themselves and say something really stupid or have some really glaring error, and make a couple bucks doing it. And that's gonna dip your toe into the world of getting clients and potentially creating higher paying content down the line. But when you do that, just make sure that when you're pitching your work, you don't come across as rude or condescending or like you're making the person feel stupid for having these errors. Almost without fail, every single person that reaches out to me wanting to proofread, they do it in just kind of an asshole way, being totally honest with you. And so immediately I'm gonna be like, nope, not interested. So it's kind of a fine line when you're trying to find proofreading work, but when you get it, it can be a great foot in the writing door and you don't need to have a ton of experience to do it. All right, the third easy writing job for beginners is transcription work. This is something that, frankly, it's really easy to do. You listen to somebody say something, you type up what they said. It's kind of tedious, it's kind of a pain. It doesn't necessarily pay a ton of money, but it can be a really easy way to start getting work right away. There's lots of services that are out there that you can get jobs for doing transcription, or you can offer freelance transcription services on a site like Upwork or Fiverr or something like that. So there's lots of ways to dip your toe into those waters. And it's great because you don't really have to do anything creative. Literally all you're just doing is listening and writing. And so because of that, like I said, it's not super high paying, but can be a great way to start building up some income, confidence in your ability to actually make money on your own. So definitely recommend giving it a shot. Okay, fourth one is a pretty obvious one, and that's general blog content writing. So that's, when you think of a freelance writer these days, that's gonna be the starting point for most people. With so much content being created, bloggers and businesses need more content than ever to keep up with all of the competition. So if you're able to come in as, say, a generalist and take any topic that you're given, learn about that topic quickly, and then write a coherent blog post about it, then there's going to be a huge opportunity for you. Even better, if you've got some niche knowledge, like if you know a lot about a specific industry or a specific hobby, it's going to be even easier to get work because people that are looking for people that know about that industry or hobby are probably going to be harder to come by than just the typical generalist. So we've got dozens of videos about general freelance content writing, so we'll link to some of the best ones below. 5. Product descriptions. There are so many e-commerce businesses and Amazon businesses out there that are selling products. There are millions of products for sale on the internet. And you know what every single one of those products has to have? A product description where you list what the product does, where you list the features and the benefits and perhaps the specifications. And somebody has to type all of that information into whatever e-commerce platform, whether it's a Shopify site or Amazon, somebody has to do all of that work. and that can be kind of tedious. So most business owners, they're going to hire that out rather than sit there and do it all themselves. So if you're looking for an easy foot in the door without having to have a ton of background knowledge, product description work can be a great one for you. Have you seen this photo? We shot a whole bunch of these images with the desk working from all over the place. If you haven't watched the desk video, make sure you go take a look at that. But a lot of people think that this was a green screen. This was not a green screen. I took this desk out into the middle of the desert, took these photos, shot the video. Green screen, come on. We do things for real here at Location Rebel. All right, the next one, it's a little bit of a dying breed, but that's SEO articles. So back in the day, one of the most common forms of search engine optimization was called article marketing. So what happens is people would write hundreds, if not thousands, of low-level 300 to 700 word SEO articles that they would then publish on article farms that were never really meant to be seen. The whole idea was there would be links in those articles that would link back to the site. Now, these are low-level links, and so they're not going to do much on their own. But if you have 1,000 of them pointing to your website, they can bump up your search rankings a little bit. And so people aren't doing this quite as much, but there is still work out there in this industry if you look for it. So in most cases, you don't need to be a great writer to get this type of work because these articles are not necessarily meant for anybody to see them. It's all about that backlink. So you're probably only going to make about $5 to $7 per article, but if you know how to write quickly, this can be a great way to get your foot in the freelance writing door. All right, the seventh one is kind of funny, but there is really an opportunity here, and that's writing weird stuff on Fiverr. So if you don't know, Fiverr is a marketplace where anybody can go and market their services, and they could be as simple as I'll create a logo for you, or I'll write a blog post for you, or I'll edit your photos. Or it can be super weird, like have an African tribesman sing you happy birthday in their native language. There's all sorts of stuff on Fiverr. So you can go in, do a little bit of research, and see what type of services people are advertising. Maybe it's writing custom birthday cards. Maybe it's creating classified ads to help people sell their stuff. There are so many weird things that people are offering services on Fiverr that if you spend a little bit of time doing research, that can be a really good way to just start figuring out how you can monetize your writing skills. And finally, the last one can be for beginner writers, but you're gonna have to have a little bit of a specific background, and that's copywriting. Copywriting is any type of writing where you are persuasive with your words. So if you're really, really knowledgeable about a particular topic, or you've got a sales background and you know you can be persuasive writing about a specific topic, then copywriting can be a great opportunity for you. And the best part about freelance copywriting is it's also one of the highest paid types of freelance writing. So a lot of people will start out with general content writing or some of the other things we mentioned here, and then they'll work up to that. But if you have a specific background, then you might be able to kind of leap everybody and get going with copywriting earlier on. So there you go. There is 8 remote writing jobs that beginners can get started with today. If you have questions about this, make sure to drop a comment below. And if you're looking for more help building a writing business on the internet, go to locationrebel.com/FWG. That stands for Freelance Writing Guide. We are going to give you our free guide and our free 6-day course that's going to walk you through all the steps you need to have a successful writing business. My name's Sean Ogle. I'm the founder of this thing here at Location Rebel. If you got value out of this, do the subscribe, do the thumbs up, and go watch this video right here. I really think you're gonna dig it, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.